Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to plant green cardamom. To start, always use fresh, viable seeds, as older ones have poor germination rates. Before planting, soak your cardamom seeds in lukewarm water for about 24 hours. This helps to soften the seed coat and encourages germination. Next, prepare your planting medium. Cardamom thrives in a well-draining, slightly acidic soil mix. Cardamom plants flourish in specific conditions. They prefer consistent temperatures, ideally between 70 and 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Place your plant in a spot that receives bright, indirect light, similar to its native rainforest habitat. Direct sunlight can scorch the leaves. High humidity, around 75%, is also crucial. You can achieve this by misting regularly or using a pebble tray with water. Proper care is essential for a healthy cardamom plant. Water regularly to keep the soil consistently moist, but be careful not to overwater, as this can lead to root rot. During the active growing season, feed your plant with a balanced fertilizer every 2 to 3 weeks. Repotting annually into a larger container will give the thick rhizomes plenty of room to expand and support robust growth. Patience is key, as cardamom plants usually start producing pods 2 to 3 years after planting. Harvest the pods when they are plump, vibrant green, and detach easily from the stem. This ensures maximum flavor and aroma. After harvesting, dry the pods thoroughly in a dehydrator or oven at a low temperature, between 90 and 125 degrees Fahrenheit, until their moisture content is below 10%.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.